Welcome to the Computer Literacy Center's online instructional video about text boxes in Microsoft Word. Text boxes are elements in a document that allow you to create a separate area to insert text. My name is Cannon Christensen, and I will guide you through this tutorial. In this video, you will create text elements in a document by inserting text boxes, add and format text in a text box, modify text boxes by changing borders and margins, and insert an icon inside of a text box. To get started, open Microsoft Word. Word automatically opens to the Home page, which shows some templates you can use to create a document and documents you have worked on recently. Select Blank Document to create a new blank document to edit. To insert a built-in text box, click on the Insert tab in the ribbon. Click the Text Box drop-down menu in the text group. A menu opens with different text box designs you can choose from. Select the Simple Text Box option. The text box contains placeholder text enclosed in square brackets, which you can replace with your own text. To replace the text, type, "Text boxes are so cool." Another way to insert a text box is to draw one. Click outside of the text box and open the Insert tab again. Open the text box drop-down menu again and select Draw Text Box. The cursor changes to a crosshair. To draw a text box, click and drag the cursor across the document until you get the shape you want. To resize the text box, click on one of the corner handles and drag it to adjust the size. You can also adjust the length or the width individually. To do this, click and drag one of the side handles. You will only need one text box for the rest of this tutorial, so click on the edge of the first one and press the Delete key. To add text to the remaining text box, click inside of it and type, "Welcome to the Computer Literacy Center." To change the font of the text, select the text and click on the Home tab. Click the Font Size drop-down menu in the font group and change the font size to 14. Now click the Font drop-down menu and change the font to Cambria. Next, you will customize the borders of the text box. Click on the Shape Format tab in the ribbon. To change the border, click the Shape Outline drop-down menu in the Shape Styles group and change the border to green. Now you will change the weight or thickness of the border. Open the Shape Outline menu again and select Weight. As you hover over the options, a preview is shown of how the border will look. Select the 4.5 point option to increase the weight of the border. To change the style of the border, open the Shape Outline menu and select Dashes. Hover over the different styles to see a preview of how they will look and select the Square Dot option. To change the margins of the text box, right-click on the edge of the text box. In the context menu that opens, select Format Shape. A panel appears on the side of the screen. Under the Shape Options menu, select the Layout and Properties button. This menu contains options for modifying the vertical alignment of the text inside the text box, changing the direction of the text, and changing the margins of the text box. To adjust the margins, click inside the left margin field where it says 0.1 and change it to 0.05. Then change the right margin to 0.05. Finally, change the top and bottom margins to 0.1. Word automatically applies the changes as you enter the new values. To change the vertical alignment of the text, select the Vertical Alignment drop-down menu where it says Top and change it to Middle. Leave the text direction set to Horizontal and close the panel. To add an icon inside of the text box, move your cursor to the end of the sentence. Select the Insert tab and click the Icons button in the Illustrations group. A window opens with many different icons to choose from. You can find specific icons using the search bar, choose from the list of suggested searches, or choose an icon from the gallery without doing a search. Click on the Animals suggestion. If you don't see the Animals suggestion, use the arrow to the right of the suggestions to scroll through them until you find it. Select the crocodile icon and click Insert. To make the icon smaller, click one of the corner handles and drag it towards the center of the icon. In this video, you created text elements in a document by inserting text boxes, added and formatted text in a text box, modified text boxes by changing borders and margins, and inserted an icon inside of a text box. For more information about Microsoft Word and other computer literacy topics, visit our website at weber.edu/clc.